What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll be showing you my wall of figures displayed. These are some of my favorite figures, so without further ado, let's get started. So on this side, the left side, we have all the Ultimate Editions out so far, with the exception of The Rock. Still missing The Rock, and then we'll get the other ones coming in. But if you haven't seen it, make sure you check my review of these figures. I'm still in the process of reviewing each and every one of them for you all. So that's that side of the wall, left side. Now starting right in the middle, at the very top, you're gonna have these are the Hall of Champions line at Target exclusive. You got Undertaker, got that Kane, awesome Ultimate Warrior, got Batista, and then we got Eric Guerrero. Hall of Champions were great. I wish they would have continued it. And then going down, again, two of the best tag teams, the Road Dogg and Billy Gunn. Next we got Ron Simmons. Damn. 1992 WCW champion, Hall of Champions series. Continue that, we got Rikishi. It's that nice figure, that cloth that he has with him, fabric, Hall of Champions. And then we got the flashback, the Walmart exclusive, right? This is Mean Gene Okerlund. Keep going down. Got some Yokozuna, Hall of Fame, Diesel. And then we got that Austin. Another flashback, Yokozuna. And then you got Ultimate Warrior. Just keep going down. Then we have that Eric Guerrero, Hall of Fame. And then we got the Ultimate Warrior. Again, these are just some of my favorite ones that I have here. I do have others that I didn't post on here from the Hall of Fame line. We got King, Piper, Edge, Sting, Booker T. We got the Attitude Eras, Rock, Jericho, H, Austin, ringside exclusive. Degeneration X, Shawn Michael. Got that Scott Hall, NWO Black and White, X-Pac, Wolfpack. Got the Wolfpack Nation in the house, Nash, Macho. Got the Sting. At the very bottom here, we got those Ghostbusters. We'll keep going. At the very top of the side, we got a Rock, Mysterio. Awesome figures, flashback series. I like the box and the way these came as well. And then moving on down, we got LOD, Legion of Doom. Got Hulk and Animal, APA, the Acolytes. Awesome era. And then if we keep going down here, we got another LOD, Road Warrior and Animal. Picked up recently now again. Legends line, Eric Guerrero, Ultimate Warrior, John Cena. Got the Undertaker. So guys, as a quick video, just want to show you the new project that we've been working on. Making this wall of figures here. On this side is going to be all Ultimate Editions. These will change as new figures come out. I might like other ones. So these are just out of all the ones that I have, the ones I preference or want to display. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And make sure you check out my other videos. Until next time, have a good one.